Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your JBL Quantum 360X with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. After that click Enter, and right here you should click Add Bluetooth or other device. Bluetooth. Now, at the right ear cup we have this slider, so slide up to turn on your headphones, and after that slide up and hold until the set light starts blinking blue. Here we go, and now we should see it at the device list. Click on it, and then click Done. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!